A US court has ruled that the plea deals reached for Al-Qaeda leader Khalid Sheikh Mohammed and two other defendants in the 9/11 attacks can proceed. The Military Appeals Court ruled against US Secretary of Defense Lloyd Austin's effort to throw out the deals. Now, the decision puts back on track the agreements that would have the three men plead guilty to one of the attacks in exchange for being spared the possibility of the death penalty. The attacks killed nearly 3,000 people on the 11th of September in the year 2001 and spurred US invasions of Afghanistan and Iraq. According to a US official speaking on conditions of anonymity, the Military Appeals Court released its ruling on Monday night. Military prosecutors and defense attorneys for Mohammed, the accused mastermind of the attacks, and two co-defendants, Walid Mohammed Saleh Mubarak bin Atash and Mustafa Ahmed, reached the plea agreements after 2 years of government-approved negotiations. Supporters of the plea agreements see them as a way of resolving the legally troubled case against the men at the US military commission at Guantanamo Bay Naval Base in Cuba. Much of the focus of pre-trial arguments has been on how torture of the men while in CIA custody in the first years after their detention may taint the overall evidence in the case. Within days of the news of the plea deal this summer, Austin issued a brief order saying he was nullifying them. He cited the gravity of the 9/11 attacks in saying that as Defense Secretary of the US, he should decide on any plea agreements that would spare the defendants the possibility of execution. However, defense lawyers said that Austin had no legal authority to reject a decision already approved by the Guantanamo court's top authority and said that the move amounted to unlawful interference in the case.